Hi, GC News. Mima Obia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news and Kwana Midi Bremo. Nasa wunya subscribe to the channel na necessary over subscribe. Udi obea say over click the subscribe button. Now wa belly notification no. Where is our video for be upload so once ever can be. I thought we are now like video no my nothing. Share my offer for so na wonye bi na wo hwe. Afi yenhwe eye ensema beto ye prof enti ensema ekoso
mo behwe mo ya campaign ma Bawumia mi enwini no mo focus no wo kwan APLUS me nipa okun ma Suale o me do nyame mo hwe mo ya mo campaign me do nyame nyankopo me kan me mama wo mo wiase nka every week mo press conference kwa Sefa kan way back 2017 obia nti asem na me kan yi na you adamfo bi owo apeteshi ba bi wo Roman Rage munim Azmera we do Azmera we be Tennessee Roman Rage shopping again we Tennessee and we do Azmera straight road no maintain straight left her I say o my block bi o na you adamfo bi Bismarck owo apeteshi ba bi she ho ewia ho na yakofa appetite na dey Azmera o just here metihwa na Sefa kan bai Obebo ne jot ne nsa metwa no bai na senkena eyo obi ankan ya me ya but those days na me nom jot no onza me ka me no ko me manom jot na me jaye those days na me nom jot no me no tena ase me ba ko na ma bo me jot so eyi wodie so me and you we are on that level what I say wo ye nua pani me ye wo nua ketwa mtie ni you from 2017 besin there we me yen the brief me to me friend oba ba me fie na ma friend say bedi enti manya wo kwota wo me o chairman general na manya wo say wo hu kwame plus or one of sa boys no I am your koyi ko me no what I say me ma ko university wa brochiri me man me yen wo mo London wo ba Ghana wo mo plane ticket for some year $20,000 business class which one wo hitru men who me say one of sa boys be na no that be men yes pa obenya problem me start a campaign me ko ye 1 year consistent me ko ye yibima me nsiro bi esika consistent 1 year so don't you see show me respect I'll show you respect what I say when you show me respect I'll show you respect wo be hia me wo ho no asema obeka ne say wo na wo tata aban no tio se fa kan be hia me Roman Rage Bismarck no wo na wo tata aban na wo kan abuni asensu kan ai government appointees won asem so mo ye corrupt ne Ghana ha na wo betumi aye saade no oman bi so anko mo ekun dadaada Ghana ha na wo betumi aye saade no say oman bi so anka ye kun dadaada enti for so many years ye tata atamils ye tata na owu ye kura na ye bema papa na rest in peace kura na ye tata no eno de na enye oman bi so me yenkuyen ye mfa ne sai normal Mahama be di president from 20 years tata and they now support it but me ankasa me nuanom boys ye nya ntokwa ye nyina ye party fo ye nya ntokwa wo be ka kire me say your man bi so anka ekume de dada but wo de wo say utumi tran wo de wo say utumi tran peace and all the utumi kan NDC asem won your man bi so de anka wo de anka ye nkun won as me nua pani anya say bia wo nua bia wo nim ni so ma fa wo nua wo me no like I know you know me ye nyina tena ase before mbesi Amadia shopping center never a one shop your one yetena na boy jot be catch them say because of politics intino ene nya wo benya di intino no wo interest intino na wo aban aba power intino mo bia nkasa bi o mekasa anka o say o man bia nkom to support say me can when people express themselves I will see you kun what was your senior journalist enu na mami enu na afi na time na so say de bia medi na tem won enya by force o udi matem 10 years ago na mankasa fasha udi 10 years later me smith me di watem enya by force udi me amindi ubi because udi matem na me di watem na kasa hey yente obi die no esa me die no yente me pese hoye din silence in court na makame die na kire ti asema maketu so create ne Sefa kan me kan si so say enye se bia Kwame APLUS on your bodanfo Just that Ghana for performing yame, my yo, but ye din, me ya dear ye, but men kasa. Ewa ban adwumam ewo hospital wo baby a nurse nim say de no ye no bibewu but emfa ne ho drive ni drive onim say we baby emfa ne ho boga me me respond nti ye ntwa anu nyina nkogu dana me papa send the voice note no na o say ne mamienu omo nkasa say eye me ya me hu say by 1 year time na mewu na mesrem se me mama mienu monkasa ha me na mkan say man me masami a wo kan de me nti ase eye no krese me ne menua ye nkasa but me mete one na kofo from social media say kohwe unua no edi watem social media but oye menua ketwa me ntumi respond me ntumi ndi na tembi enti me kokan bia na metutu so atemidi odidi me nyina say na me ne NPP aban ku na say but ono ya akwara me na me ye pani enti me nsoso enti no me nua oye ya but oye me nua ina oye me nua me do no ba wonu made enti na me nua no yesa na ma me efi akoto na hye nechi efi akoto obegu efi akoto won oye devil nti se wo hu se me ye bibi ena te se na me kan so create na me kan Sefa no enye na semu fakoto me meaning no fucking who if you akoto you have to be grateful and cause o denyane a no why ye nnuane no why it's not their break kwa me wo he beje o se ye okoto se ye ka APLUS asempe o se munjai enye wo na obokwa kwahye me nnuachi so oni ni nnua embe kumi papa ebewu na nere aho me papa obewu no na nere aho because of wo mama if you akoto who say all those years man ka hwe kwame plus me wa botre too much we kasa kwame plus ni abotre no that is on share me wa botre I can endure me me ye din mo wa wiase bibia me endurance level no with different level voltage no osoro me to me endure sa but that me bie no fuse bia be blow because heat no but voltage no e wo gigaboom and I met Sammy differently. And then, Nyame ado me nyame nua back. Me nua de if akoto me do no. Na mom hwe na wo ye obi a enka won ka Kwame APLUS asem. Won ka Kwame APLUS asem in the sense that who ko twitwa wo naked photo de ko send e Maxwell. Enya me anka wo nim gu ase. Why can't people be grateful? Enka kuma problem be na nya Kwame APLUS na solve. Ubetumi ba social media ba be dede yeye ba mu mpanifo no munya problem e be frɛ Kwame because when in the way I met here it takes a lot for me to react mu mpanifo no munya problem no so e be frɛ Kwame uko twitwa wo photo una wo kofa wo phone wo pese wudi obi kunu by force wo twa wo naked photo e de send nipa no send na nipa na yere na kuta photo no ade chinye na be issue na me nam ha na me pacho na me yesay I ensure that ma be fokoto wunya problem na ban na ba foforo me bu koto dwo me pacho munya botro ebegu Akufo-Addo enim ase say ma ya na me twitwa ji wo na me yufrim ade chinye wo twa wo ho wo high nkofo so mo be di matem and that's what start an opa we was start bi mu on an opa we so denya ne wo be san be start bi mu on problem by na bank kan kroma bisa gabi bisa bedi etuo bisa NDC boys no mi bisa ya Agyarko bisa Ferguson me na me fra ka chom se me sremo se wa broni asema ye kan Akufo-Addo ye papa mamu ye ne se me a very reasonable guy se wa broni me ne kasa se wa broni me ne kasa chen obia me ne se wa broni ye din komosa mumbisa se wa broni se how many times me pa ne chaw se wa me ye se why me de mano anye se bia se wa ye beji ske bia mo na se me de mano chaw pa se wa me pa chaw se wa me ye say Akufo-Addo ye papa even though I have issues with Akufo-Addo is still our father and I don't think it's right to do this me pass se wa broni chaw na momo didi matem but na me pa on one side me ne se wa every day me see ne so constantly don't do any it's okay I was, even when you people were fighting with me, ask Sewa that who was talking to her. Therefore, moi, mo be hwe mo ye campaign ma Bawumia mi ewini no, mo focus no upon APLUS. Hey, me nipo ku ma Suale o, me do nyame, hey, mo hwe mo ye mo campaign. Me do nyame, nyankopo me come mama wo mo wiase. Nka every week mo press conference. Focus on your campaign. My best friend, one of my best friends in this country that nobody knows is Napo. Listen carefully. One of my best friends that nobody knows in this country, Napo. One of my best friends in this country that nobody knows. One of the people that I respect. One of the people that we chat. We never have done public. I've never gone to his house. One of my best is Napo. When we program on Sunday, Napo told me that your program Kumasi no waba. Me and Napo we are on a different level. Napo senka me yelba and come the secret side check. And so I want the best for him. But me menso song was so. Munteni ye. NPP communication, that's one spending a lot of time. When I asked Dr. Bawumia, and I told him that I will bring APLUS on the campaign. Go and ask him. We're asked whether I will do it or not. It's a different matter altogether. But don't try me. Don't try me. I said me nipa okun Ahmed Suale. I know the person who allegedly killed Ahmed Suale. And focus on your campaign if you like. Call police. Go and call APLUS. I will go and write a statement and they will make it public. Can't you just focus and do your government and me start some year campaign maybe so busy with Sika. Come plus your guy man. Me more there because I know how to do my things. I will fight with you, and the people who are going to vote for me, they know that this guy is the fighter. This guy will fight for us. This guy will make sure that this guy is the guy that we are looking for. They know that this guy, we are looking for Obi Awabodam, somebody who is not unconventional person. They know down there nobody can beat me in that election. And if you like, come and do your things. You go a bit over. We are part 1. Men fan show trim no be else or standing MP no microphone omo botai omo ye omo ho na minia no omo anya hweamom te se omo pebodan for te se America for Donald Trump no we are assassin. The people are looking for somebody with a different mindset. They are looking for somebody who thinks in a certain way. My botai will come her I am ho gentle man hweamo bia. The people have seen a different person. So me, I'm not scared, and me, I will not change. And the reason why I will be about social media, Kwame, me sponsor our campaign, me Peusika, men Fosika, me campaign, or change me, I mean to menka, me my dear. I'm thinking differently. It's a man find show with him, man, my name, Mamutri Muda. Say, mo best spending more time. Hey, me, my num calipo, ne Hogan, and num calipo. Who my dear, make my yard to me. Hey. Focus. Your campaign manager is who? Opariansa. Go and ask him. I didn't say somebody. Kwame, we have to sit down and talk. Your umpeni for na green. Moti form one with Jimmy. Me no me no we will be ase ahon here. Me no me will be ase me no be nya problem forever and ever. Me no we will be ase me no be nya problem forever. Opa di matem. Opa and family who me I don't care. Me. If you like, say whatever you want to say. Me, I don't care. But if you do like you can threaten me, like you can, don't try. I bet trigger. I bet trigger want to mean cancer no. And now we don't want to say you know power. Only power be me. O pese woni me din koma hom. Emphas kenimba. Men phobia powerful. Opa ko hwep Prince Ama. If you kuma Prince Ama Kwani constituency na keep takrade Prince Dr. Prince Ama deputy minister for housing. Opa ko fo bi te so no. Opa for no bra. Ana ko hwehwe boys ni anka men je wo ho se wo pa I will tell you I will do untumi ya hwe. Obe den. Ena me meet untumi ya hwe. Se mo pentokwa me ni je ho. I love it. I will fight. I want to fight. Look, I'm looking for a reason. Napo is my friend. How can I campaign against him? If you give me a reason, I'll do it. Wallahi tala. If you give me reason, I'm looking for a reason to do. But just that Dr. Bawumia me fair no. Now I'm can't say more income. I'm if I could almost ask them now. Wo can say wo target for say omo ko didi me hear them no. I'm sure they be. Me, I can never lie in this life. I didn't am here trying one. It's not right. This is me. Mary, I did not try. It's not right. No, we delete, you know. So all those who are commenting, no, they can comment their comment. I don't know them. I don't have anything. I've never spoken. I've not done anything for them, so they can comment their comments. Or no, by encouraging the queen, no, they be catching and say, "Queen, I are welcome." What you say different, but the meaning is different. Because when you speak, people can interpret it the way they want. So don't speak and expect people to understand it the way you want. You know, so I say obi di nkwasi asa. E wrong with me aka say asafun say. Eno kra no e sanwe oba eno ye better. Asafun akwei di asafun. Ba unya aka say osan nkwasi asa. Me so. Whether it's my wife, whether it's my daughter, whether it's my best friend, I will not accept it. Because me to understand it in some way, into 1 year. But my mother could and can be what I say. And yes, I want to share posts. I'm coming for so munko didi atem. Hey, men maya semu. Kwasia. Women no start with me upon Grand Kroma. Men maya semu last warning. Men try. And I'm with it. When I'm with NPP, focus on your campaign. Munko communication meeting, NPP communication, Munko meeting. Can say, let us focus. If I would. Hey, I will. You see, I told that Napo is my friend. I will fight against this campaign. Me, I don't care who. But won't me yet, mami. Obey them.
You waiting for me, cause just do so, and I will have him. So we now subscribe. Yeah, let's just say, but more than that, subscribe now. I like to give you that feel so I share my offer for so any people working. Also, bet me actually working off here and so we now I will comment boxing in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.